The 2024 Kia EV9 received the MotorWeek Drivers Choice Best EV award for 2024. Last year, the 2023 Kia EV6 also received the Best EV honor, along with the Best of the Year title as the brand's first all-electric, three-row SUV. The Kia EV9 continues to receive praise for the vehicle's overall excellence and execution across many factors, said Steven Center, COO and EVP, Kia America. We are proud to receive the Best EV award from MotorWeek again this year for the all-new EV9. To determine the winners, the MotorWeek team evaluates nearly 150 vehicles, based on factors such as price, practicality, performance and fuel efficiency. The staff then selects the best models, in a variety of lifestyle categories ranging from family sedans to luxury cars, large utilities to pickups. Of the three all-electric vehicles that share our Best EV honor for 2024, there is only one that we'd say was truly a game-changer this year, and that's the Kia EV9, said John Davis, creator and host of MotorWeek. As the first true reasonably priced family-size three-row all-electric SUV to hit the market, the EV9 not only sets a new benchmark for EVs, but for family SUVs in general, building on Kia's reputation of delivering vehicles with segment-above excellence. The EV9 brings the three-row SUV into the EV era with available features that matter most: generous interior volume and cargo space, leading vehicle dynamics, rich interior appointments, and fast charging capability. From first glance, the all-electric EV9 embodies the rugged yet sophisticated typology befitting a flagship SUV. Its muscular stance and dynamic character lines rise with smooth precision to pay homage to the Kia design North Star, the reimagined Kia logo. The EV9 brings to life the concept EV9, which was guided by visualizing the simplicity of nature's perfection through the lens of the elements of nature. At up to 197.4 inches in length, the EV9 is slightly longer than the Telluride SUV, and comparable in height, up to 70.1 inches, and width, 77.9 inches. With all three rows raised, the EV9 offers 20.2 cubic feet of cargo space. When both rows of rear seats are folded, volume increases to 81.9 cubic feet. The exterior styling of the EV9 is a masterclass in simplicity of form and expression, said Tom Kearns, chief designer, Kia Design Center America. With a single unbroken stroke, just like that found on the Kia logo, we were able to define the character of the EV9. The boxy, triangular design language of the EV9 emphasizes the tension of its short overhangs and long wheelbase, pushed to the corners over the modular EGMP electric underpinnings. At the front of the EV9 is the Tiger face, a reinterpretation of the Kia Tiger nose grille that highlights depth and dimensionality, flanked by slim LED headlights. The available Star Map LED animated digital pattern lighting grille can be personalized by the driver as part of 5 dynamic welcome light formations, a first for Kia. Both fasciae exude a confident and recognizable front expression recreated with a futuristic touch. In the rear, slim taillights draw attention to the corners of the EV9's body. Flush door handles with automatic deployment underscore the clean side profile lines. Design is in every detail of the EV9, including the available wheel options, which range from 19 to 21 inches. For a more design-driven appearance, the EV9 GT line adds model-exclusive styling, raised roof rails 9 and 21-inch, exclusive alloy wheels and tires. The EV9 will be available in a choice of gloss or factory matte finish paint options. In keeping with the tenets of Kia's Opposites United ethos, the interior of the EV9 infuses cues from nature through creative contrast, innovative use of materials, and the interplay between humans and their environment. This post-industrial approach introduces a new level of refinement of craft to Kia. Innovation in materiality is a subtle alchemy that has lasting results, and the EV9 unlocks the next level of our design identity, said Jochen Pezin, Vice President, Interior Design, Kia Design. And thanks to clever packaging made possible by EGMP, the EV9 features a spacious, three-row interior. The interior design philosophy of the EV9 introduces the 10 must-have items, a new paradigm in color, material and finish, CMF, that will also be applied to future Kia models. In the interior of the EV9, this CMF approach comes to life through the use of non-leather polyurethane seating surfaces, select BTX-free interior trim, and select fabrics and carpets composed of partially recycled materials. From the headliner of the EV9 to a variety of high-touch areas within the cabin, these forward-thinking materials offer a tactile quality to occupants in all three rows, and deliver a well-appointed cabin without the use of animal products. Reductionism is a motif that envelops the cabin of the EV9. Centrally mounted, hidden until lit haptic switches for key infotainment features appear when the EV9 is turned on. The dual-level, floating center console stretches from the first to the second row, offering under-tray stowage to front passengers, and cuff holders and an available sliding storage console for rear passengers. Hidden in front of the driver is an optional, full-color head-up display. An available full-display mirror replaces the traditional rear-view mirror with a camera view with a flick of the lower tab. The optional 14-speaker, 708-watt Meridian Premium audio adds impressive levels of tonal clarity sans serenity. Available steering wheel LED lighting illuminates the Kia logo. Every seat inside the EV9 is considered executive class, including the second row of seats. First and second passenger row occupants are treated to an available relaxation mode, which offers comfort with power-operated leg rests, and second-row creature comforts include 8-way power adjustments enhanced with heating and cooling. High-power USB-C outlets throughout the cabin allow for device recharging for all. The EV9 will be available from launch in a variety of 6- and 7-seat configurations. The EV9 SV2L outlet located in the cargo area can help power tailgating parties, and standard tri-zone HVAC ensures true temperature control in front and back. The EV9 features Kia's next-generation, ultra-modern connected car navigation cockpit, CCNC, operating system, mirroring the exterior styling. The CCNC display interface takes inspiration from the rising strokes, smooth curves, and high contrast of the Kia logo. The CCNC operating system processes faster and in higher fidelity, with frequently used quick controls available with a swipe on the screen. The EV9 will also be the first Kia model to offer vehicle system over-the-air updates, a strategic move towards software-defined vehicles, as well as navigation-based charging guidance using arrival time and distance to empty estimates. The EV9 is designed to be a mobile power source, thanks to an integrated charging control unit, ICCU, and V2L. The EV9 will offer standard, advanced ultraviteband-based digital key, which allows customers to use their compatible Apple and Samsung smart devices, or an NFC-enabled smart card, as virtual vehicle keys to lock, unlock, and drive. Furthermore, these keys can be shared with friends and family over text messages on available devices. This latest technology allows the driver to unlock the EV9 without the need to hold a smartphone. The EV9 refines and expands Kia's roster of standard and available advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS. Debuting on the EV9 is lane following assist 2, LFA2, 15. LFA2 is a driving convenience feature that helps the vehicle stay in the center of detected lane markers. Standard highway driving assist 2, HDA2, is a driver convenience system that helps to maintain a predetermined distance from the vehicle detected in front, keep the vehicle within detected lane markers on certain highways, and assist in lane changes under certain conditions. The EV9 is the second Kia model, based on the eGMP platform, and the first to feature fourth-generation battery technology designed for improved energy density. From launch, the EV9 will be available with a choice of two powertrain options. Standard is a 76.1 kWh battery with a 160 kW, 215 HP, motor that drives the rear wheels. An optional 99.8 kWh battery will be available in a single-motor configuration targeting 300 miles of all-electric range, air, or a dual motor. 283 kW, 379 HP, torque vectoring all-wheel drive configuration with 516 lb-ft of torque. The EV9 will offer 4 drive modes at launch on all trims: Eco, Normal, Sport, and My mode, with a maximum DC charging speed of up to 230 kW. The EV9 can facilitate quick charging with compatible DC chargers, while the 10.9 kW onboard charger enables expedient level 2 charging as well. The EV9 is expected to debut in the US in Q4 2023, and it is expected to be assembled in West Point, GA, beginning in 2024, making it the first Kia EV to be assembled locally. Pricing. Timing for U.S. market availability, specific trim details, and EPA rated air for the EV9 are subject to future announcements. The 2024 Kia EV9 received the MotorWeek Drivers Choice Best EV award for 2024. Last year, the 2023 Kia EV6 also received the